Okay, this one's a video to demonstrate the Bluetooth module functionality that's been added to this. So, in order to control this Bluetooth module, you'll need to install an app on your iPhone. It's right here. It's called Light Blue with a little fist and LE. Light Blue will control the Bluetooth module, which is plugged in here. A little light that's blinking. It's actually plugged into the GPS port on this one, but on this model it doesn't matter because it will work. So in order to control that, I'm going to open Light Blue, and the first thing it's going to do is show the peripherals, the devices, and I've named it after our trademark, Houchon, with a number. So interrogating just means it's connecting. I don't know why they call it interrogating. But once it connects, that was pretty quick. Let's go back. Okay. Houchon 17 is the name that I've given to the Bluetooth module. And when I press on it, it's going to connect to it and go to this screen. And then I'm going to go to the bottom of the screen. The characteristic 6 or the TXRX, sometimes it says 1, sometimes the other. It doesn't really matter. It's the last item on the screen. Select that. And first thing I'm going to do on this screen is change this from hex. See in the upper right corner it says hex. I want to press that because I want to change it to UTF-8 string because that's the protocol that I'm using to communicate with the Bluetooth module. So I'm going to tap that. And now we have UTF-8, excuse me. And then we're going to write new value. Well, if you write a letter, capital, these are all capital letters, capital D, and then hit done, the screen will change to the date. And if you want to go back at time, just write new value, capital A, done, and the screen will go back to the normal timekeeping mode. Okay, say I want to go to the menu, capital M, menu, bam. Okay, in the menu, you can write new value. If you want to select the line, choose capital S, select, little arrow will move down to the next line. Let's say I want to change DST, Daylight Savings Time. I'm going to choose capital S, select, so it'll move down to that line as indicated by the little arrow. Now let's say I want to change that to off. Write new value, capital C, change, done. Changes DST to off. Now if I want to save that setting, I'm going to move it down one line by selecting a capital S again, done. So move it down. Now I want to exit. I'm going to write new value, capital A, to go back to the screen, done. It's going to go back to timekeeping, and it's going to be advanced 1 hour because I turned Daylight Savings Time off, as in the spring. What other features? Oh, we also have a toggle feature. Can you guess what letter that is? Capital T, done. We'll toggle the unit off. Write new value, capital T, we'll toggle the unit back on. It's not magic, it's just Bluetooth. And I think for now that's all the features I have on it. So when you're done with whatever changes you want to make, you want to exit by going back to the original screen to make sure it's disconnected, and then close out the app. And by the way, when the little Bluetooth module is blinking, it's not connected. When it connects to your iPhone, it'll stop blinking. You want to leave it unconnected so it doesn't interfere and your iPhone is not connected to it all the time. When you're ready to make changes, you just go into that app and make the changes, then disconnect and exit. That's about all I have to say in this video. See you next time.